Hello guys, I'm Sunil. Today we'll speak about lambda. Okay, lambda in function topic. Okay, and what is anonymous function? Okay, and then we'll move over there. Okay, yeah, guys. Any idea by the name itself you can tell what is anonymous function? Anonymous. చెప్తారా ఎవరైనా? Any idea? Guys, no name. Exactly. Ante. Sometimes or okay, we can declare a function. We can declare a function without any name. Type of nameless such type of nameless functions. Prashant, after the call, please stay on the call, okay? We'll speak something. Okay? Yes. Called anonymous functions. Okay, by the definition itself, it's very clear, right? And we'll see, what are the application of anonymous functions. Okay, okay, na? Yeah. See, and this is the normal function means the function which have a name, right? Anything, from last five classes we are seeing, right? Okay, which have a name. Okay, the normal function means which have a name. Okay, this is called normal function. Okay, okay, na? Then guys, now we have anonymous function, right? Okay, the function which does not have any name. Okay, so basically now we'll move to what is lambda function. Okay, lambda function. Okay, see, we can define anonymous function by using lambda expression. Okay, or lambda function. Okay, we can define anonymous function by using lambda concept. Okay, let me tell you how the things work, everything. Okay, okay, na? Guys, ఇక్కడ క్లియరా మీకు? Now let me give you an example. Okay, now function f equal to lambda, right? Lambda. Okay, lambda, then just n written n square or n cube, something like that. Guys, if you observe clearly, let me tell you how this lambda came to picture. Okay, suppose if we have a squaring a function. Okay, squaring. Okay, so if our input is n, then what will return, guys? Return n into n, right? So for this, if you want to convert this normal function to lambda function, okay, then you should write, okay, n as input. Okay, first you should write lambda. See the equivalent lambda function for normal function. Okay, n and n square. Okay, na? Okay, this is how one matter. Okay, guys, is that clear? Hello? ఇక్కడ కూడా n into n అని రాస్తుంది కదా, n power 2 బదులు. Yeah, whatever you want, you can write. That's up to you. See, the logic is up to you, right? You can write in any way. Okay, na? Okay. Okay. This is how one matter. Okay. ఇప్పుడు we have def,
నాకు
double.
ఇంకో డౌట్ అక్కడ ఎన్ బదులు నాకు ఒక డౌట్
చెప్పు చెప్పు.
అక్కడ ఎన్ బదులు ఇంకేదైనా పెట్టచ్చా?
ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ కీప్ x into x, y into y అట్లా.
అంటే రిటర్న్ వాల్యూ ఎఫ్ లోకి వస్తుంది.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అంతే. we need to call by using f of 2, f of 3. So then the if you print f of 3, so this equal to x, okay, then your f of 3 is nothing but 3 square, okay na. See, this is nothing but a function call. This expression will be evaluated, okay. Okay, this is written, this is not a written value guys, this is just a function. This is some instance of n function, okay. అర్థమైందా guys? Is that fine? Okay, now we'll see, okay, everything, okay. We'll see some functions, okay. We'll have some IDE, okay. We'll move to some online IDE, Python IDE, okay. And Deepthi, Kyati, guys, are you understanding this? Yes, ఒక్క నిమిషం. ఇప్పుడే నాకు ఎక్కువ కాల్స్ వస్తాయి. See, అదే నా ప్రాబ్లం. ఒక్క నిమిషం. జస్ట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ హిమ్ ఐ యామ్ ఇన్ క్లాస్. Okay, yes, let us see the things, okay. S equal to or you can say f equal to, okay, f equal to lambda. So if you don't want to give a name, write keyword lambda, okay. So if our input is n, your expected answer is n square, then write n into n, or if in n cube, then write n into n cube, okay. Now x equal to f of 4. So your x will is nothing but 4 cube, right? So if I print, what will be my output, guys? Prashant chepta 4 cube 64 kada. See guys, are you able to understand this? See, this is nothing but, see, instead of writing f of n, okay, instead of writing like this, I was just writing like that, okay. Ante antakana em ledhu guys. See, instead of writing return n into n, okay, instead of writing these two lines, I am making them to, you know I'm making it into a single line, okay. Guys, is that clear? Oh my god, what happened? Okay, so ఇదన్నమాట లాజిక్, ఓకే, దట్స్ ఇట్, ఓకే. సో అంటే ఇదొక స్టైల్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అన్నట్టు, ఇన్ ద ప్రాజెక్ట్ లెవెల్, ఓకే, దే యూస్ టు రైట్ లైక్ దిస్, ఓకే. సో ప్లీజ్ లెర్న్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆల్సో, ఓకే. 64, ఓకే, దట్స్ హౌ అన్నట్టు. నౌ విల్
వాయిడ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చా?
ఏంటండి?
వాయిడ్ ఫంక్షన్, వాయిడ్ ఫంక్షన్.
Yeah, you can write, no, like if you print directly, you can print, no, instead of returning, you can print n, okay. Now you cannot expect any output, right? Right, that's a good question actually. See, in the function itself you are printing. See, now you're passing 4 and you're printing 4. If you want to print square, just write. Prashant, these are fine.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me paste the code. Guys, now first we'll write a normal function to sum up two numbers. Okay, then we'll write lambda by using the same. Okay. Okay, so see guys, so guys, I want someone to tell how to write by using lambda, the same function. I want Kathy to answer this. Kathy, can you replace this function by using lambda? Kathy, hello, Kathy, are you there? Kathy, can you please tell me the answer? ఆ ప్రశ్న నువ్వు చెప్తావా?
నేను చెప్తాను.
Yeah, please
సార్
tell.
చెప్పకపోతే.
Yeah, please tell. ప్రశాంత్, ఏంటి ఆలోచిస్తున్నావు అంతసేపా?
మీరు పంపిస్తాను కోడ్.
No, you can say orally. No, you can say orally. It is not that. It's very small code, right?
F is equal to lambda
Yeah, sum of num equal to lambda. Okay.
of e comma b,
Exactly. Okay. Just a minute.
a comma b,
Yeah, a comma b. Okay.
colon
Or x comma y. Anything is fine, right? Okay. Written
x comma y,
x plus y.
colon
Antena?
x plus y.
Ante. So just now you write some x equal to sorry s equal to something and same thing. Okay, you can write like this.
Sum of sum f and now ఒక బ్రాకెట్ పెడితే ఎర్రర్ ఏమైనా చూపెడుతుందా ఆ పైన x comma y దగ్గర?
No, you're not allowed to keep brackets. Let us try. I feel it will be an error only. But let us see. See, it's an error. Okay, you're not allowed to keep brackets. Okay, but in Java it will allow actually. Okay, గుర్తుందా ప్రశాంత్, like Java it will allow, but Python it's not allowing. Okay? See, that is syntax specific, but the Java, if you remember, there is an interface concept. There is a function interface concept. Function interface means the interface which contains a single abstract method, right? Okay. To give the body for the to give a body for the method in the function interface, we use lambda expression there. But here that concept is quite different. But yeah, but the meaning is same, right? Hmm. Let me copy this code. Guys, now I want to input two numbers. I want to find maximum of those two numbers. Okay, so first I want normal function, then I will go for lambda. Is that fine, guys? Okay, so the normal function is okay, max of two numbers. Right, now what you will say, so if you just copy this one ante kada. So x equal to of two numbers. Okay, yeah. Guys చెప్తారా? the same function how to implement with Prashant Nubagu. I want Kathy, please respond, Kathy or Deepthi. Yeah, anyone, can you please answer the question what I was asking? Alright, guys, please respond. Say yes or no. At least if you don't know, please say no so that I can ask someone or I'll write by myself. Guys, am I audible at least? Deepthi, are you there? Yeah, can you please tell the lambda equivalent of this function? X equal to lambda. Okay. Uh, A comma B. Okay, colon. ఇప్పుడు you need to write the if else logic in a single line. ఎట్లా రాస్తావు చెప్పు? I told you, I think in the beginning of these things I have told you. Exactly. Okay, if A comma B, if A greater than B, right? If A greater than, see, in Python the ternary operator is something different, right? If A greater than B, written A, which is left side, okay? Else B, ante kada. Guys, are you able to recollect what I told in the operators concept? See, this is a ternary operator, guys. Let me explain this thing. Prashant, okay na? See, if okay, this condition itla పెడతాము. If value left side పెడతాము, right side ఏమో else value పెడతాము, okay? ఎట్లా అనమాట, ఓకే? సో ఇదనమాట, ఓకే? Prashant, is that fine?
Yeah, it's fine. Kathy is public here.
But they are not responding, right? Okay. So yeah, like that, guys. Okay, this will come. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. So there are some key observations in this lambda. Let me document those things. Okay. Note lambda function internally returns value. There is no need to write return statement. Am I correct, guys? అంతే కదా? మనం ఎక్కడ we are not using return keyword anywhere, right, guys? Lambda function returns the value. There is no need to use return keyword excessively. Okay. Guys, actually there are cases like JavaScript. If you see, there will pass a function names as an argument, like a callback function. Like so, here also we can pass those things. So at the time, lambda is a good choice. Okay, like if you want to pass function names as an argument, then lambda is a good choice. Okay. సో ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను కదా యూనో So to pass, to pass lambda expression as an argument. Okay, let us see that. Okay, Prashant, అర్థమైందా? Guys, who whoever aware of JavaScript, they can understand this easily. But if you are not aware of JavaScript, okay, please try to focus what I was telling in next 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, Prashant, is that fine?
Yes, yes.
Okay, na? Yeah. So, so first we'll see by using normal function how to pass as an argument. Okay, like okay. So let me to check suppose which number is bigger, right? అంతే కదా. Suppose ఈ ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకుందాం. Okay, why why to write a new function again, right? Okay na. Guys, suppose uh, not like this. So I want to write some function which returns true or false. Okay. Okay, this is nothing but even or not. Okay. Okay, even means true, else false. Okay. Guys, what you will write for logic for even or odd? A mod 2 double equal to 0, return true. Am I correct, guys? Else return false. Antena? Okay.
Yes.
So suppose if you pass 7, okay, so you'll definitely get some answer, right? Is that clear, guys? But the thing is, I have a list of numbers. I want to judge how many are even numbers. Yeah, I want to judge exactly how many are even numbers. Okay, na? Okay, guys. Now, what is your thought process now?
గ్రూప్ రన్ చేసుకొని
Hmm.
పెట్టుకొని చేస్తున్నాం.
Yeah, loop run చేసుకొని every time we'll call this function. అంతేనా?
అది ట్రూ రిటర్న్ చేస్తే కౌంట్.
బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒక separate ఒక we have a separate expression. Okay, we have a separate function. Okay, what is that? Filter function. Okay. Okay, so filter. Okay, you pass. Okay, the function name even or not comma l. Okay, so internally it will send every number to this function and it will return whichever the arguments are even. Okay, and you need to convert them into list again. Okay, Prashant, అర్థమైందా this one? See, I am using a filter function.
లిస్ట్ మీద కాల్ చేయమా?
Huh?
ఫిల్టర్ లిస్ట్ మీద కాల్ అవుతుందేమో కావాలా?
Yeah,
ఉండదా?
yeah, that's it only. Yeah, filter list మీదే కాల్ అవుతుంది and you need to define a function. ఓకేనా? దాంట్లో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ దేంట్లోకి పంపించాలి అని దానికి మనం you need to define a function, right?
ఓకే
Okay,
ఓకే ఓకే.
print of L1. అంతే. Simple, guys. See here, I have defined a function and I have written a list. Okay, so every number in this list will go to this function and the ones which are true, they will take into L1. అంతే. Guys, this is the execution process. Guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. See, in Java 8, we have, filter array, indentation error.
అదంతా సెలెక్ట్ చేసి షిఫ్ట్ ట్యాబ్ కొట్టి వచ్చేస్తుంది.
అవునా? ఓ, థ్యాంక్ యూ ప్రశాంత్. Yeah, while using Python, these things are very mandatory, right? In the max of 2. Acha, these things are not different, right? Yeah, we can do this. See guys, అర్థమైందా how neatly it is coming? అంటే this is you need to aware of all the syntactic sugars, guys. Okay, okay, all the syntax you need to be aware, guys. Okay, so in the project level we don't know what the type of coding they are using, right? So you need to be aware, then you can understand the existing code, or you can write by using, see, basically in like I worked in Java for a long time and Python as well, but yeah, so basically if I write some code without using Java 8 features, like lambda expression, function interface in Java, even though my code is correct, but my reviewer simply revert back that code. Okay, like they will just give some comment, I need to you know incorporate them, right? But they won't accept the code with less standards. Okay, so some companies, not some companies, most of the companies, they won't accept at the project level if you write the code in a silly way. Okay, they want the things to be in a much more optimized, more error friendly, like that they want. Okay, so then you need to be aware of all these things. Okay, Prashant, okay na?
అర్థమైంది.
Guys, this one I'm explaining again. Okay, every number in my list will go to this function. Okay, and we have filtered out these numbers and we'll get some values, and that will convert to list, and that will assign to L1. Okay, that's it.
ఫిల్టర్ ఏ రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది మామూలుగా అయితే?
Boolean value, just normal value అంతే. అంతే, అర్థమైందా? మనము జావాలో లైక్ డాట్ ఫిల్టర్, డాట్ కలెక్టర్, జస్ట్ టు డూ, ఇఫ్ యు రిమెంబర్ దిస్ వన్, గుర్తుందా?
గుర్తుంది. లాంబ్డా
So we
ఫంక్షన్
at the last we write collect dot collectors dot toolist, right? So the same thing we are applying by using the list of. Okay, the filter returns a single value. Okay,
ఓకే.
okay. Guys, now can you guys tell me the same function by using lambda expression?
ప్రోగ్రామ్ కాపీ చేయాలి.
Sure. See, ఇక్కడ ఏమి లేదు చూడు. I want just, if you want you can replace this everything with lambda. Guys, ఎట్లా రాస్తారు చెప్పండి? Lambda, okay, a colon, చెప్పు ప్రశాంత్. True, right? True if a mod 2 double equal to 0, else false. అంతేనా guys? Is that clear? Okay, అంతే కదా? See, the same thing we can get. See, అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఇక్కడ separate గా ఫంక్షన్ రాసే బదులుగా just you can define in a single line, right? See, this is nothing but a readability of the code అంటారు. Okay, so ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో చూస్తే మీకు అన్ని ఎట్లానే కనిపిస్తాయి. Okay, the things will be like this only. Okay, so this is nothing but readability of code. Okay, guys, okay na?
రన్ చేస్తే నాకు 2468 వచ్చిందా?
Yeah, so I'll run, let me run you again.
లాంబ్డా పెట్టింది.
అంటే నేను సపరేట్ గా ఫంక్షన్ రాసే బదులు, ఫంక్షన్ రాసి ఫంక్షన్ పేరు ఇచ్చే బదులు ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ రైటింగ్ ద లాంబ్డా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ డైరెక్ట్లీ, రైట్? సో అదే వాడు చెప్పాడు అనమాట. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ కెన్ పాస్ దిస్ లాంబ్డా ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్, లాంబ్డా ఫంక్షన్ as an argument instead of passing a function name, right?
Okay.
Prashant, the guys who came from Java, this is nothing for them, I feel. But why you're feeling something like new, I don't know, but okay, no issue. Guys, now we'll see. Suppose there is a list. Okay, I want every number in the list to be square of it. Okay. ఎట్లా రాస్తాను చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ విల్ డిఫైన్ a normal function. Okay. అంతేనా ప్రశాంత్, రిటర్న్ ఎన్ఎన్టీ అని ఆమె కరెక్ట్. సో విల్ హ్యావ్ l equal to 1, 2, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి గైస్, హౌ టు, ఇందాక నేను చెప్పాను కదా ఫిల్టర్ కి. ఐ వాంట్ సమ్వన్, వెయిట్ ప్రశాంత్, ఐ లెట్ దీప్తి ఆర్ క్యాతి టు ఆన్సర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. అరే దీప్తి ఆర్ క్యాతి, like if you don't know, yeah, please respond. Yeah, see, I want to apply map function on that list. Okay, I want to pass that as a function c. So just write a square of it and comma l, అంతేనా? So whatever is coming from the map, convert them into list, అంతే కదా? So squares list, something like that you would. Okay, guys, is it clear? Prashant, is it clear? Now we are not filtering, we are just mapping to the squares. Is that clear? Prashant, huh?
Yes.
Now I'll remove this function. I want to guys you to answer with by using lambda square of it. చెప్తావు ప్రశాంత్. lambda
ముందు కోడ్ లాంబ్డా ఎక్స్
x కోలన్ x into x, అంతేనా? అంతే. That's it, guys.
లాంబ్డా స్ప్లిట్ ద ప్రాసెస్.
Okay, so this is how we use lambda, filter or map. Okay, filter or map functions by using lambda. Okay, and Kathy, this week I'll take you mock interview. Okay, please be prepared. Okay, yeah, on whole core Python. Okay, because we are going to wrap the Python. Okay, core Python, today or tomorrow, most of by today. Yeah, guys, so what?
తీసుకున్నాం మేము చూడొచ్చా?
Yeah, definitely. I will speak this exactly. Okay, yeah. Yeah, interview means it's a personal, but yeah, let us see the things after the class. Okay, yeah. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం పెట్టాలి? Filter. We need to filter some numbers. Okay, so for that we use filter function, అంతేనా? Next, map. Suppose if you want to map to the some other form. Okay, suppose we want to map them to other form, అంతేనా? Okay, then we go with map function. Am I correct, guys? Guys, now we'll see what is reduce function. Guys, anyone? What is reduce function in Java 8? At least Prashant, I expect some answer from you. Prashant.
సింగిల్ వాల్యూ వస్తుందేమో.
Definitely. Okay. So, guys, here you need to recollect one thing. Okay. First, so directly you need to write the L equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay. Then R equal to reduce of so here you need to use lambda function, guys. This for reduce function, this function is very standard, guys. Okay. So a comma b, a plus b. Okay. So ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే sum equal to sum plus I అని మనకు ఐడియా ఉంది, guys. The same thing. Okay. So for the reduce function, you need to pass this function as an argument, comma L ante. Right? Print of result, print of R. Okay. This is about reduce function by using lambda expression. Okay. Okay. So there is a library name we need to define. Okay. So there is something called import func tools. Okay. Import function tools. Okay. Then last function tools from import star ante. See, first you need to import this library, then use this lambda function. Okay. And then pass that list as a parameter. Okay. So in this way we can deal with filter, map, reduce. Okay. Guys, this is end of functions. Okay. Okay na? 1 minute, 1 minute.
మరి ఫిల్టర్ కి మ్యాప్ కి
ఒక నిమిషం.
పెట్టకపోయినా పర్లేదా?
ఒక్క నిమిషం నేను ఫిల్టర్ కి మ్యాప్ కి ఒక నిమిషం స్టాప్ చేయి.